I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening a reliable Pubg name generator and choosing your platform. Mobile or desktop works the same. Pick a style, funny, edgy, or clan-focused, because that guides the generator's filters and results. Once done, list 2 to 3 base words. A nickname, a hobby, or a favorite number. These become the building blocks. Make sure to enable symbol or emoji options if you want flair, and set length limits so suggestions fit Pubg character rules. Now you refine results using filters. Set length limits, allow special characters, and choose capitalization patterns to improve readability. Experiment by combining your base words with prefixes or suffixes, and try LeetSpeak substitutions like 3 for E to create uniqueness. Once you have options, preview each name to check how it appears in-game and on leaderboards. This prevents truncation or banned characters. If a name feels weak, iterate, swap elements. To finish, pick your top choice and confirm it meets Pubg character limits and naming rules because that prevents rejection. Then set the name in-game or reserve it through the platform and remember rollback or change limits so you won't be locked out later. If the generator's name is blocked or already taken, modify characters, add a small number, or swap a symbol. These quick changes usually solve conflicts. Finally, test the name in chat and profile to verify display and readability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.